it! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood, and to my wonderful kitchen. Today I want to show you a bomb recipe. That's right, a bomb recipe. It's so good, guys. It's a raw vegan peanut butter cake and it's so amazing, honestly. Like, it's just unreal. Not only doesn't have dairy, it doesn't have gluten, it's vegan. It's like, you wouldn't be able to tell that it's vegan, by the way. And as you know, I'm famous for my raw vegan desserts. I like to make them really tasty. I like to make them challenging in the sense that people that are not vegan can eat them and not feel that it is not just a proper cake. And they wouldn't be able to tell in a million years that this was made with healthy, yummy, delicious ingredients. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Honestly, this is one of my favorite ones because I love peanut butter. Leave the comment down below if you love peanut butter as well. And let me know what other raw vegan cakes you would like to see in the future. Now, let's get started. In a food processor, you're going to add your peanuts. These are dry roast peanuts that I'm using. I'm adding a pinch of salt and cinnamon and soaked dates. These are midge dates, but you can use any other dates. Vanilla extract, and I'm gonna blitz everything together for a couple of minutes. If you have a really good blender, then it probably blitz even faster. Mine is quite good, but it's not, it's not the most expensive one. So you want to just keep blending it until you start to feel that the mixture is a bit more tender. Then you're going to add the rest of your dates and melted coconut oil and just blitz everything together one more time. You really want to make sure that your base is nice and sticky, and you will see when I pick it up, it kind of glues in my hand. So that means it's ready to go and it's done. So that's our base. Super easy, right, guys? So then take your mixture and put it aside. Here I've got my baking tin, so I'm adding some coconut oil around the sides and at the bottom, just to make sure we can take the pie out later and my vegan cheesecake. So just go around the edges and spread it evenly. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself, each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. Then add your base on top of your pan, and you want to spread it all evenly with your spoon. You can use your fingers. I know some people use cups. It's completely up to you. You just want it evenly spread out and just press inside so it kind of sticks to the pan. Once it's done, you're going to place this in a fridge to set. Then in a food processor, add your soaked cashew nuts together with vanilla extract and melted coconut oil. I'm also adding peanut butter, which is smooth. I don't recommend adding crunchy one because you really want kind of a smooth, cheesecake. Then add your maple syrup and just mix everything together until it's very, very smooth. Again, my blender is not the smoothest, but if you have a super blender, so if your blender is not as strong, just keep going until you don't have many lumps and it's quite smooth as it gets. Once it's done, we're just gonna put this delicious peanut buttery gooiness on top of our base and just smooth it out with a spoon. You want to just go around the edges and make sure it's nice and even. And it's so good already, guys. I can eat this with a spoon, but of course making it into a cake is much more fun. So I've placed it into the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours, and once it's done, you just gently take it out. I'm using a knife to go around the edges to loosen the cake, so just do that if it's stuck, and then it should pop out really easily. place it onto a board. I suggest you use some plate to decorate it first with chocolate, and then plate it onto a decoration plate, because chocolate will drop down and fall onto your plate. I'm using a mixture of coconut oil, cocoa powder, and some maple syrup. You don't have to add the chocolate, but I really think it adds so much flavor. You know, chocolate and peanut butter go together really, really well. And this vegan version is just amazing. The chocolate will set on the frozen cake pretty quickly, so you have to be quite quick and creative how you want the design to be. And I'm decorating it with more roasted salted peanuts on top. And yes, that's done, guys. Let's cut into this cake. Let's cut into this beauty and see how it looks inside. It's very, very soft. It's delicious. It's gentle. And once you sort of plate this, it's just amazing. Look how smooth that is. You know, I took this to my friend's birthday party and I didn't tell anybody that this cake was vegan, and everyone loved it. And only at the end I told everyone that that was vegan. It's actually really healthy and good for you. So people absolutely loved it. It's very creamy, very rich peanut flavor, and it's crunchy sort of base. And I love the chocolate as well. So all of the elements work together really, really well. And I know you guys are gonna love this cake. You loved my blueberry cake, so I know you're gonna love this one as well.